Two hiccups. Uh-oh, what is that? Yeah? Hiccup? You're sitting right in front of the window, aren't you? Oh, goodness. Where did those hiccups come from? You're trying to hold your breath. Oh, goodness.